who has been supporting me till now. If you're already a subscriber, I salute you. I salute you for the support and the love. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. Hit that notification bell so you become part of the Strive family. Now, I always want you to remember that one truth will always defeat a million lies. And the truth must be spoken no matter what. If it will hurt someone or not, it must be spoken. If it will be said in a calm way or the hardest way, still the truth must be told without any fear. I know anyone who joins this court proceedings is a sensible, intelligent, open-minded, wise, and smart person who really understands what we do here in this court. And even if there is something or a case that they do not agree, they will leave their opinion in the comment section without any insult, but in a professional way. We try as much as possible to be truthful without any insult and without any attack. We don't pamper anybody in this court. And on this note,
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
There is a beautiful case here that I think people in the Crooked Truth Court would like to know and would like to share their opinion on it. Now, we all know what happened in Kenya. It's about a guy who scammed the Kenyan law system. He made the Kenyan law system look foolish. This guy is not a lawyer, but he pretended to be a lawyer and won 26 cases. This guy's name is Brian Inwenda. Brian Inwenda. Now, his case is so funny that if you sit and think about it, you will laugh and also ask so many questions. I want us to watch this video, and after that, we will discuss something very important. Then we will play another video of him saying something. Now, let's watch this.
A fake lawyer who won all 26 of his cases despite no legal training has been arrested in Kenya. The man has been accused of being a masquerader who had stolen the identity of a real lawyer called Brian Mwenda Ntwiga. He allegedly accessed the society's portal and tampered with the account details of a man sharing the same name before uploading his own picture. He has now been arrested after his case caused public outrage, and the branch received many complaints.
So now this is what happened. This guy happens to share the same name with a lawyer. So he decided to hack into the system and use the man's details to be his. Anybody has reasons why they do something. But the thing is, do you have good reasons to what you did? Did what you do harm others? These are the kind of questions we have to ask. Now, this guy is a very nice gentleman, and what he has done questions the Kenyan law system. It raises a whole lot of questions about the Kenyan law system. Now, if the law system is so solid, is so good, I don't think this guy would be able to enter the law system and change things and make himself a lawyer. It tells us a whole lot of things. It means that this guy is very smart. Yes, the law system is not working, but he is very smart. Now, another question is, how come did he win 26 cases against lawyers who have been trained, called to the bar, given legal licenses to operate? Yes, if a lawyer who has been trained wins against you, it's normal because all of you have the same ideas and the same education and the same training and everything. But in this case, this guy has never been through any training. If there is something he knows, then it means that he learnt it by himself. So why should you let this guy beat you on the battlefield? It's a disgrace. A very big disgrace for something like this to happen. People will question the law system in Kenya. People will do that. This guy acted so smartly, and the purpose to which he acted that way, I will let you know. Let's watch this video.
Thank you to everyone that has been supporting me.
Okay.
I cannot give you the context of the case, obviously,
Okay.
because now investigations have
Okay,
been
they
done,
subdued this. Okay,
and
for
it's
us
going to be
to.
prejudicial to my case for me to speak to the
Okay.
media. However, we'll create time for you guys,
Okay.
and I'm going to talk about it.
Okay.
And perhaps this was made for a bigger purpose than I am, and let's see where this takes us.
Okay.
But just keep praying for me
Okay.
and supporting me. I also want to thank all the comrades. I'm with the Kuso leader here. And yeah, that's all that I can say. Not unless you have any
Okay.
questions.
So this is it. He did this based on a very big purpose. I really like law, but I don't really believe in lawyers. This is why. Look, lawyers will know that their client is at fault. Their client is guilty, but they will still defend their client to win the case for them so that the innocent people or the innocent person will just go and rot in jail. Now, lawyers, because of their own personal benefits, money, they will support anybody at all. Which, in real sense, for me, I feel that people who are at fault shouldn't even be entertained, shouldn't even be supported, shouldn't even be given the chance to take lawyers and go to court. That is when, if you know that the person is at fault or the person is guilty, because before a lawyer supports someone at court, they make sure the person tells them the whole truth. Now, if the person tells you the whole truth, why should you go defend the person if the person is guilty? This guy's purpose, I think, is because he saw that there are a whole lot of people who are out there who do not have the money to take lawyers to defend their cases, even when they are not at fault or they are not guilty. So he decided that now I have to find a way to defend these people, to work for these people, to get these people the kind of power that they need. And truly, he succeeded by defending those kind of people by winning 26 cases. Now, some people are saying that he is guilty for doing that. That is a criminal offense. I wouldn't say it's never a criminal offense. It is a criminal offense in the sense that you need to go through certain processes before you acquire, the law certificate and the license to be a lawyer before you can go to the court. Now, the question is, why is the law system not so good to the extent that they couldn't even detect that this guy is a fake lawyer? Places where the law system really works, they will detect that this guy is a fake lawyer. This only happens in movies. So why should this happen? Why should this happen? He was only smart to attain a genuine purpose, a good purpose. I'm not saying he's right, he is wrong. But the question is, must he go to jail? Must he go to jail? For me, I think that the lawyers he won the cases over must rather be fined some money, or must be punished, or even must be demoted. Because how can a fake lawyer win you at the court of law? You with all the training, you with all the licenses, a fake lawyer has won you. Then it means you don't know your work. So those 26 lawyers, or I don't know if you want it to, same lawyers on different occasions, I don't know. But those people must be demoted. Their licenses must be taken. And this guy, I don't want him to be sent to jail. What the law system in Kenya must do is, now, this guy is intelligent, his smartness, they must take advantage of him. He's an asset to the national to the national legal system in Kenya. He's an asset to the whole Kenyan community or the whole Kenyan nation. You know why? because he's smart and intelligent. So what the law system must do is they have to find this guy. It's right that they will find him. And if they find him, that money that they will find him must be used to process a legal license or certificate for him. So they call him to the bar so this guy can operate on a legal grounds. Because there have been some instances where some people who have never been to the universities, they give them doctorate degrees just to honor them. Some people who have never been to universities, because of their hard work, because of some businesses they have, they give them that accolade and give them the doctorate honor. They can do same to this young gentleman. He's an asset to Kenya. He is an asset to Kenya. No need for him to be put in jail. No need for him to go through the legal process to be a lawyer. He knows everything already. He has learnt everything already. So the license must be given to him. Just fine him. He will get people to pay that fine, and you use that fine to replace the license. So he operates in the legal system in Kenya. Anybody who knows this guy, I want to be the friend of this guy. A very nice gentleman, an intelligent guy, a smart guy, a wise guy. I want to be his friend. These are the kind of people I want to be friends with. They are using their power, even when they do not have money or the resources to acquire certificates. They are using their own intelligence to save people from hell, to save people from the wrong they haven't done by winning cases at the law court. I love this guy and I salute him. But the Kenyan lawyers who this guy defeated, they must demote them, or their license should be taken from them, or they must be fined as well, because it's so disgraceful and a shame. Guys, I don't know what you also think about this case, but whatever you think, I will really wait for your opinions. Leave it in the comment section. Let's all have a conversation over there. Let's see what happens. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, leave a comment like I said, share the video for others to see. Now, don't forget also that on here we always strive for glory, we strive for success, we strive for travels, we strive for the truth and anything important. Marwa, I recommend this guy to you. Immediately, they leave him and give him that law license that I'm talking about. Contact this guy. I think this guy is the one who can defend you so that you defeat reactors. I will see you guys in the next video. Cut rise.
No more.
If you know make money, friends go dog you. Nobody said go love you. You first step up your hustle, cause one day you gonna make it. If you know make money, friends go dog you. Nobody said go love you. You first step up your hustle, cause one day, you gotta love me now.